Assalamu alaikum my friends, welcome back to Global Hacker. This is Shoaib and today I'm going to show you how to make helping hands or third hand. So let's get started.
You will need a piece of wood, flux, two flexible pipes, and a wire hanger. Flux will go there and the flexible pipe will go at the side of the wood. So I have marked the position of flux and the two flexible pipes. Drill all three holes and paint it with your favorite color. I forgot to mention before that you will also need two alligator clips and we're gonna fit them at the tip of the pipes. After pushing it in the nozzle, we're gonna secure it with some hot glue. Do the same thing with the other. Now take the flux and secure it in place with some hot glue. And screw the both pipes in place. Take the wire hanger and unravel it. Take the wire and wrap it around the neck of the empty bottle to make spiral. Something like this. This will be a stand for soldering iron. It will go right there. Now drill the hole for stand of our soldering iron. Secure it with some hot glue. So that's it, our third hand or helping hand is complete.
That's it guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Click there to subscribe and ask me if you have any question about this video or any other video.